How to use breakpoints for perfect responsive design in Wix Studio. So by breakpoints, we are pertaining to the layout that it actually gives you. So it has three default breakpoints, which is the desktop, and then the tablet, and then the mobile. So when you switch to this particular breakpoints, it will switch to that particular design, and it will keep on resizing those text and elements in order to fit this. Now you can click on the tree that's right here in order to customize it. Like for example, if you want to add another breakpoint, just click on this right here, and then choose in here the breakpoint that you want added. For example, let's put in here around 450. Then click on done. And then from in there, it will automatically show up something like a 450 breakpoint for this one. So you can edit it out as well if you want. And then it needs to be proportional to this as well. So you need to edit that out. So head over and then click on done right there once you're done editing that one. So from in there, you can see what it will look like onto your breakpoint. Now we can add three more for this right here with total of 6 breakpoints. Make sure to test the responsiveness of this resize handles, and then you can see the changes made that higher breakpoints cascade down to lower ones. So while changes of breakpoints can override higher ones, like for example on this one, it looks like this, and for this tablet one, it will look smaller like this one. So that's how you use breakpoints for perfect responsive design in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.